everyone, it's Miss Owen here at BMS, and today I'm going to show you how to find the area and circumference of circles. So the first thing that we need to review is the formulas for area and circumference. So in this example that I gave you, it says find the area and the circumference of the circle below. So we're talking about this circle first. So first you want to find what is the radius and what is the diameter. So when we look at this, we're going to identify this 12 as the diameter. So to find the radius, you have to basically cut the diameter in half. The radius is double whatever the diameter is, or half of the diameter. So half of 12 is 6. So that's the radius. Then we need to know the formula for area and circumference. So we know the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared, and the formula for circumference, there's actually two of them. So area is pi r squared, and circumference, I'll work down here, is 2 pi r, or circumference is pi times diameter. So let's talk about area since it says find the area first. So the area is pi times whatever the radius is squared. So the radius is 6, so we're going to square it. And we're going to round to the nearest tenth on these. So the area of this circle, pi times 6 squared, is 113.1 meters squared. So when talking about the circumference of this circle, there's two formulas, and you will see that we'll get the same answer using both formulas. The first one is 2 times pi times the radius, which is 6. 2 times pi times 6, rounding to the nearest tenth, is 37.7 meters. The other formula is pi times diameter. So pi times the diameter is 12. And pi times 12 is also 37.7 meters. So either one of those formulas will work. The next question, example 2. Find the area and circumference of each circle with a given radius or diameter. So in this case, they give us the radius. Remember, I said that you're going to want to find the radius and the diameter first before we even start these problems. So since they give us the radius, we need to find the diameter. The diameter is twice the radius. So 4.5 times 2 is 9 centimeters. And then we need to know our formulas. So they talked about area first. So formula for area of the circle is pi r squared. And then whichever one for circumference. You don't have to use both of them. You can just use one. In these videos, I'll show you both, and that they're always going to be the same. So we're going to plug in what we know. So area is pi times 4.5 squared. And pi times 4.5 squared, rounding to the nearest tenth, is 63.6 centimeters squared. Remember, area is always going to be units squared. Circumference, there's two formulas, 2 pi r or pi times diameter. Both of these are going to be the same. So when we use 2 pi r, it's going to be 2 times pi times the radius is 4.5. Rounding to the nearest tenth, you will get 28.3 centimeters. Or if you use the other formula, pi times diameter, it will be pi times 9. And pi times 9 is the same thing, 28.3 centimeters. Okay, the next example. This example says find the area of the shaded region. So in these problems, you're looking at just what is the area of this shaded part right here, not the triangle. So we need to find the area of several different shapes. So the first thing is find the area of the big picture. So the big picture here is the circle. The triangle is inside of the circle. So we know formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. They give us the diameter is 14, so we know the radius is going to be half. The radius will be 7. So area of a circle becomes pi times 7 squared. We are going to round to the nearest tenth and get 153.9. Now that's not our answer, that's just the area of the circle. Then we need to find the area of the other shape that we see, and the other shape is the triangle. So formula for area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So looking just at the triangle, the base is 14 and the height right here is 7. So 14 times 7 divided by 2, you get 49. Then we want to find the area of the shaded region. So to find the area of the shaded region, we're going to take our big picture, the circle, 153.9, and subtract out the area of the triangle, 49, to get a total of 104.9 inches squared. Okay, the next example. Find the area of the shaded region. So we want to find the area of this shaded portion here. Again, you're going to find the area of several different shapes. So the first one is find the area of the rectangle. Well, we know the formula for area of a rectangle is length times width. And then we're going to have to find the area of the other shapes. So the length of the rectangle is 3.5 times the width is 4. To get 14. Now 14 is not my answer, that's just the area of the rectangle. Then we look and see that we have two semicircles, one here and one here. If I put these two semicircles together, that's going to make one entire circle. So the area of a circle, or the area of two semicircles, is pi r squared. So, when I look here, I know that from here to here is 4. That's called the diameter. I need just the radius. So the radius of these semicircles is 2. It's half of the diameter. So pi times 2 squared is 12.6, rounding to the nearest tenth. And then it says find the area of the shaded region. Well, the entire figure is shaded, so we want to add them together. 14 plus 12.6 gives us a total of 26.6 yards squared. So that's just a basic introduction of how to find the area and circumference of circles. I hope you all found this helpful. Remember to always subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos. I'll see you all next time.